And the lead is taken by joint account by the rail. On the outside is Doomstead and Dougal Sprite running on the inside in third. Gifted Champ and Matter of Honor. But it's still joint account in the lead, followed by Doomstead on the outside in second. And Dougal Sprite running in third by a length and a half. Matter of Honor on the outside. Gifted Champ. At the mid-back stretch, it's still joint account by a length and a half, followed by Doomstead on the outside. And Matter of Honor moving up. And on the inside is Gifted Champ in between horses. Entry number 1, Dougal Sprite. Rounding the fat turn, joint account by the rail. On the outside is Doomstead, Matter of Honor, Gifted Champ, and entry number 1, Dougal Sprite. The lead is taken over now by Doomstead from the outside, joint account by the rail, Matter of Honor. On the farther outside, Gifted Champ moving up on the inside in Dougal Sprite. The last bend for home, Doomstead on the outside, and moving up on the inside is joint account. Doomstead on the outside, joint account, Gifted Champ. And here comes entry number 1, Dougal Sprite. It's Doomstead, Matter of Honor, joint account. And by the Gifted Champ, entry number 1. And that is Dougal Sprite. And here in the payoff line, Doomstead on the outside, Dougal Sprite and Gifted Champ. And finally on the payoff line, Doomstead